Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with pyramid math puzzles. So look at the question number one, the easiest puzzle of today's puzzles. They say if it takes you less than 30 seconds to solve a puzzle, there is a good chance your answer is wrong. Let's test that. Take a look at this number pyramid. You don't need a calculator. You don't need any complicated formulas. You just need to spot the pattern that most people completely miss. Keep the first number that comes to your mind. By the end of the video, let's see if you were right. Alright, let's go through it step by step. The first thing most people do is try adding the numbers, but that doesn't get up very far. For example, 5 and 7. Add them together and you get 12, but the number above them is 17. So it can't be simple addition. Then most people try multiplication. 5 times 7 equals 35. Still doesn't work. And that's usually where people start guessing. But there's a small clue hidden in the pattern. It looks like the number on the left is playing a bigger role. Let's test the idea. What if we double the number on the left and then add the number on the right? 5 times 2 plus 7. That equals 17. That works. 7 times 2 plus 11. That equals 25. Works again. So 11 times 2 plus 13. That equals 35. 3 times in a row. So we've probably found the rule. Now let's keep going. 17 times 2 plus 25 equals 59. 25 times 2 plus 35 equals 85. So our hidden rule is take the number left, double it, and plus number right. And add the number right for that. So with this rule, for the final step, we will have 59 times 2 plus 85. That equals 203. So the final answer is 203. But honestly, the most interesting part of this puzzle isn't the answer itself. It's the moment when you suddenly realize you've been looking for the wrong pattern the entire time. That's always more satisfying than the answer for me. So, did you spot the rule right away, or did you challenge your approach a few times before figuring it out? Either way, I hope this puzzle kept your brain busy for a few minutes. And now let's move on the next challenge that's harder than this. See you